Going to explore the eMentor platform, which is provided by Achievers International. We will start from how to register and what is there to do on this platform. So first of all, you have to enter ementor.achieversinternational.co.in in your browser, and you will land on this page. Here you will have two options: to log in and to register. So all the new users will click on register and they will enter their basic details: name, email ID, mobile number, password, that's it. And they can select the desired course which they want to continue. So it's IELTS Academic, Duolingo, IELTS General, or Spoken English. So after selecting the course, just click register and you will receive your login credentials in your email ID. So once you have received, so we will go to the page again, and then we will fill up the login credentials and click on login. So after that, we will land on this welcome page, and here the product which I have selected was IELTS Academic, so it is showing here. So when I click this, it will take me to the dashboard, and on the dashboard I will get my overall IELTS progress, my recent test progress, any of the tests which I have attempted recently. It shows with the date when I attempted which module and how much I have scored. And on the side there is leaderboard, where I can compete myself with other users by spending more time on this portal. Down below we can find three options. First one is test your English, where you can check your language ability by taking the test. So when you click on the test, it will take you through some simple question answers by which we can assess your English level. So here I have attempted the test, so it is showing how much I have attempted and how many were correct answers and how many were incorrect and how many questions I have skipped. So even I can review this test if I click it. So it will show me like which one is the right answer and which one is the wrong answer. So if I go back to dashboard, here we have recommended plans. You can check your suitable plans for your preparation, and there is guide to IELTS, which will give you the whole brief knowledge about IELTS. So here on the right side you can see there is a tip of the day column in which you can find the tips related to listening, reading, writing and speaking, which are given by our experts to help you to improve your performance in particular modules. So next is the lessons. If I go to this tab, it will give me 7 categories. Those are grammar, IELTS listening, reading, writing, speaking, and vocabulary plus IELTS tips. So here in this section you can practice your grammar, your vocabulary. You can find lessons based on listening, reading, writing for the beginners. So there are a lot many exercises, at least 30 exercises would be there. If I talk about the whole lessons, they all become together up to 300 lessons in this area. So next part is sectional tests. So here you can see we come on the listening page. We can select reading, writing and speaking up above, and here you can find that I have attempted some tests and my performance is given here. So if I want detailed performance, I will just click on the view report, and it will show me my detailed performance, like which type of questions I have attempted, and it will compare the same with the topper, the one who has scored highest in that particular category. And here I will find my question wise report, where I can look for detailed solutions by clicking view. So it will give me all the detailed answers, how this answer was correct or incorrect, so I can find out all the things. Same thing goes with the reading section and writing as well as speaking. So I can attempt the tests as many times as I want without submitting them. Like for example, speaking session 4. So it is showing that resume test. So which means I have attempted the test, I have left it in between, or I didn't submit it. So I can reattempt the same test again. So there is an advantage for you that you can practice as many times as you want. Next category is mock tests. So mock test, obviously you cannot reattempt it. You can go for the same only once, And here I have attempted mock test 2, mock test 3, and I can see my overall progress here. If I click on the same, so I didn't attempt listening, I didn't attempt reading, so it does not showing anything. But in writing, here is the topic and this is my answer. So this is faculty's response, which you can find like what mistakes I have done and how I can improve myself. Next category is, if I go back and click on another test, which will be the mock test 4, so I can start the test again. So here you will not get the break. You have to complete listening, reading and writing. Speaking, you will have option that you can attempt the speaking later on, or you would like to go for the speaking in one go only. So you can go for such options as per your convenience. Next tab is the progress report, where I will find my recent progress based on listening and again in reading, in writing and in speaking. So if I haven't attempted any, it will not show anything, it will show 0 bands. So you can check your overall performance here in your recent tests whichsoever you have attempted on this particular platform. So here you can see that in listening there are what is my accuracy, how much I have attempted and what is my score. So it shows me that section wise, listening section 1, 2, 3, so you can find that, and you can even compare your scores with the toppers by clicking this. So it will show you a comparison of your bands with the topper of the group. So next part is support, which is quite important for students. So here I had a speaking test, so I raised my evaluation request. So how to create that? We will click on the create new request. Here you will find options. I will write the subject speaking evaluation. So here I will request evaluation or query if I have any, or I can go for feedback as well, and I will type all the things here in the message box and submit it. It will go to our faculty team, our support team, and they will get back to you with the possible solutions of your queries or your feedbacks, or if the evaluation is required, you can also intimate us that I have attempted this test and please evaluate my performance. So next and the most important part is the live classes. Here you can see in IELTS we have 4 slots in the morning, afternoon and in the evening. So I can attempt any of those as per my convenience, because sometimes you might be busy in the morning or in the afternoon or in the evening, so you can choose alternative lectures. So here another thing which I would like to discuss, that for example if I missed the morning batch, so if I click on this, it will take me to a page where I can find the archived lectures as well. So it is showing not started. So it is basically it has passed because I didn't attend it. So here I can find that it is today's lecture, archived lectures and upcoming lectures. So if I click on archived lectures, for example if I have missed my yesterday's class or 2 days class, so I can just find any day's class recording from here, and you can find it up to last 3 months. So that's a big advantage, that you have a library from where you can access the live lectures of last 3 months at least, to prepare yourself, or if you want to know about any of the problems which you have faced in the beginning and how you are doing to that now. So you can compare the things from here, and you can learn as much as you want from here. So doesn't matter if you have missed the class or you have attended the class, you will always find it from here. For example, today is 26th June, so I have yesterday's class available here, Thursday, June 25th, 2020. So I can attempt that. Here you can you just need to click on the play recorded video So it will open the lecture which was there. So it was based on listening module, you can see here, and here the live class goes. So you can
Studies.
attend the
So which address shall I give?
previous classes as well if you have missed any of those. Apart from this, guys, we used to have the feedback and doubt solving sessions as well on every Wednesday and on every Saturday. So you guys can talk to us through whatsoever source we connect with you. So you can share your doubts if you have any problems, so we can discuss all those. And I hope that it is going to be very beneficial for you. And for any further detailed information or any further issues which you face while using this, so you can contact us at any point of time. You have our numbers, our email IDs, our Facebook and Insta page is also there, so you can just drop your messages or queries. Thank you so much.